What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today we have another fabulous show video in store for you. We will be talking about one of the hottest meme coins around. This meme coin have been talked about a lot recently. The popularity of this coin is starting to grow. But before we get into the meme coin of the day, first let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin, the price is $61,820. We know the past few days, even yesterday, we seen Bitcoin fall down to the $59,000 range. A lot of folks were very nervous. There was a lot of uncertainty. Even today, there's still a lot of fear going around in the market. Folks are not certain which direction Bitcoin will be going. We did see it get $59,000 yesterday. Today is $61,820. So hopefully a lot of folks' fears will start to calm down. These are just a lot of new folks that's coming into the market. This is just a lot of folks who really don't understand what's going on and what to expect during the 4-year Bitcoin cycle. Currently, right now, the Fear and Greed Index is showing 44. I'm not sure if that's an error, but 44 for the Fear and Greed Index seems to be very low. Maybe it's accurate. I found it on CoinMarketCap. It showed the Fear and Greed Index is at 44. That is an awesome level for us to be buying at. Now, the way I'm looking at it, I'm saying the Fear and Greed Index is at 44. We know this thing will potentially go up to the high 80s when it gets to extreme greed. If it's at 44 right now, if it gets to the high 80s, 88, 90, something like that, can you imagine what the price of Bitcoin will be if people are in fear right now and the Fear and Greed Index is at 44? The price of Bitcoin is 61,820. You can do the math, do the calculations, and put your price expectations on where you expect Bitcoin to be at when the Fear and Greed Index get back to 88 or 90. Now, the Bitcoin dominance is at 53.3. That's no big deal. We may even see the Bitcoin dominance get up to as high as 60%. That is no big deal. That it happens every cycle. We see the Bitcoin dominance get up to 60, 61%, so forth and so on. Then we see the Bitcoin dominance take a dip and gets down to the 40% range. And that's when we are in full-blown altcoin season, which is what everybody have been talking about and is waiting on. So things are heating up. Things are getting excited. Even though there's a lot of fear and uncertainty going around in the market, nevertheless, things are heating up and there's a lot of excitement in the market right now. Now, let's get into the topic of the day. The coin of the day is Turbo meme coin. This is one of the hottest meme coins around. We've been talking about this meme coin for several months. This meme coin has shown great strength. One of the things that's going on with this coin right now is that it is in the middle of a partnership. We've seen Turbo start to get listed on crypto.com a few weeks ago. That was a huge accomplishment for a coin like Turbo meme coin. Initially, it was just on Uphold and some of the other smaller cryptocurrency exchanges. But the fact that crypto.com said, you know what, Turbo coin is good enough for us to place it on our platform. Now there's some tokens about another partnership that Turbo is in discussions with. It's supposed to be released June 25th. Who knows if it's going to happen that day? It may happen June 30th. But the fact that there is talks going around about partnerships and different things going on with Turbo, that is great excitement that we'll be entering into the Turbo ecosystem, into the Turbo community, which will hopefully cause the Turbo price to pump. Currently, right now, the Turbo price is 0.0055. A few days ago, when the market was really beat down, we seen Turbo get as low as 0.003. When we saw that, we just started to dollar cost average in. That was such a great level for Turbo coin to be at. About a month ago, we seen Turbo coin get to 0.009. It almost got to 1 penny, but it got rejected. And when it got close to that 1 penny mark, we put a price prediction on Turbo to say, you know what? I think it can do a 10x from this 1 penny mark. So we said, you know what, let's put a price prediction for 10 cent. Let's keep it conservative. And this was before the crypto.com listing. This was before the new tokens and rumors of the new partnership. So we were already saying that price predictions for Turbo, we were doing a conservative price prediction saying 10 cent. And this was before all the great catalysts and news that is surrounding the Turbo meme coin project as of now. So with adding in the new flames and the new excitement from the partnerships, etc., who knows where this doggone coin can be. 10 cent is very conservative. It may hit 40 cent, 50 cent, 60 cent, who knows. But that's why when it got down to 0.003, we said, you know what, we already got a price prediction on it for 10 cents. So if we can buy more at 0.003, that's just doing a 33x on our money. What is our money doing right now? It's not doing nothing. The dry powder is just sitting around waiting for the dips to come. The dip came. What did we do? Take that dry powder from the side, buy the dips, buy the lows. You have to be able to buy when a lot of folks are fearful. You have to be courageous in this market, which is how you will be able to dominate the cryptocurrency bull market. It's easy to buy when there's excitement. It's easy to buy when Turbo is up 30%, 40% in a day like it does. That's how Turbo run. When it run, it's up 20, 40% in one day. That's when a lot of folks like to text message me or direct message me on the side and say, Coach, should I be buying Turbo right now? What you think about Turbo? It's up 30%. You know, talk to me, call me when it's down 20%. You know, that's how we rocking with Turbo. But Turbo is an exciting coin. I'm looking at the dilution rate. It's almost at a fully diluted level. The dilution rate is 92%. So that means most of the coins, most of the tokens that are out there are in circulation. So that is another great note that we can put on the Turbo meme coin, another check off that we can place on our list to show that this coin is a solid coin. And we know the history of the Turbo meme coin. We know this is a artificial intelligence generated coin. The young man started this coin using ChatGPT, and for under $100 he was able to create this doggone toad, which is now known as the Turbo meme coin. So we understand that it's on the listed on the Binance futures. So the fact that Binance even is tampering with this doggone coin, who knows what the next play for Binance might be. Binance might be saying, you know what, we already have Turbo listed in this area, in this section. Why not just go ahead and have it traded on the regular platform, on the regular market, to where a lot of our clients can start to buy some Turbo. If not Binance, then who is it? COINBASE that's thinking about adding Turbo to its platform? Who knows? But like I say, we're still early. The partnerships and all the other accolades for Turbo will just start to add up. We understand that the Turbo meme coin community is large and it's growing by the day. The popularity of this coin is going through the roof. Folks are always contacting me, talking about Turbo, giving their input, giving their advice, which shows the amount of traction, which shows the amount of activity that's going on in this particular community behind the Turbo meme coin. But do your own research on this coin. Let me know what you think. Currently, it is the number 213th largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. The market cap for this coin is $358 million. So it's still got a lot of room to grow. We know we are early in this cryptocurrency cycle. For a coin to hit $1 billion market cap is nothing. Most of these coins will be at a $1 billion market cap, and a lot of the good coins will be at a minimum of a $10 billion market cap. So we're so early in this doggone cycle. We are near the bottom, not quite the bottom, even though Bitcoin is at a strong medium-sized number at $61,000, $61,800. You know, we understand that the previous cycle, Bitcoin started at $9,000 a couple of months after the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin was back at $9,000, and that's exactly the same thing we're doing in the 2024 cycle. Bitcoin started off at $63,000. 60 days after, it's still about $63,000, $61,000, and we know 6 months after that, Bitcoin is typically up 45, 50%. So if Bitcoin is going to be up in the 2024 cycle about the same percentage rate, 45, 50%, then we're looking at an $85,000, $90,000 Bitcoin in Q4. So that's something for us to be looking forward to. That's a little bit of excitement for us to have our eyes on. Like I said, we got the bird's eye view. We're not just looking at today, tomorrow, next week. We have a broader view is the range that we're looking at. So that's some excitement to be looking forward to. So when the markets dip, we got our eyes on Q4. Yeah, it might be dipping right now. It might have hit $59,000 yesterday, but we're not looking at yesterday. We're not looking at today or the next 48 hours. Right now, we're looking at Q4. Then after Q4, we're going to have our eyes on Q1, Q2 of 2025. So this is the long ball. We're not worried about hitting first base, none of that stuff. We are worried about the long ball. We getting ready to knock this thing out the park. If we don't knock it out the park, we will knock it into deep center field, maybe deep left field, but we don't know. But like I say, I am the coach. I'm just going to call the play, but I can't get in the game and run the ball for you. So when you need to get up to bat, we're not hitting to get to first base. We trying to hit the long ball. We trying to hit the long run. And if you don't hit the long ball, hit the home run, hit that doggone ball to the deep field, center field, left field, or the right field. We're looking for doubles and triples at a minimum. That's why we're buying these doggone dips right now. Like I said, come on over there. Join us in the Patreon locker room. We would love to see you over there. We have a great community of folks who love cryptocurrency. Like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good motivation. Coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.